How to make kimbap like a pro. This is burdock root, or uong. We call this the life of the kimbap. My son has a field trip tomorrow, so we decided to go all out. My husband Minyoung said, let's show them who we are. Uong is time consuming to make, but that's the reason why we put it in. It just shows that you care, you know? And it smells so good. I love the smell. I don't buy the ready-made burdock because it just does not taste the same. While that was boiling, we got the other ingredients ready.
Oh, look at the muscle.
Be careful all the time.
When you buy kimbap, you always have to pay extra for kimbap, so we're gonna add kimbap like there's no tomorrow. Now we're transferring the carrots to a pot, water almost full, and adding some sea salt. Mixy, mixy. Got this fish cake because it was on sale, but I recommend you get the flat ones. We have skiffle hands, so it doesn't matter to us. Broken half, ooh. Let's add some soy sauce and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, we prep some spam for tomorrow. We also pre-washed some lettuce. The fish cake and carrots get done pretty fast, so you gotta make sure to take it out quick. For chidan, we add a total of 7 eggs and add some matsogum. Mixy mixy and put it on medium heat. Once it looks like this, you're gonna flip it over. The trick is to not be afraid. Beautiful. Flip it over a couple more times so you don't get salmonella. I'm drying the 깻잎 leaf by leaf. It's called cheongsong. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3. That's how you cut the chidan. Turn it around and cut. Perfect kimbap length. I would say around 30-45 minutes. Check if your burdock is ready. If it breaks off, it's ready. Add oil, soy sauce, and 물엿. This is the hard part. You gotta put it on low heat and keep flipping it over so that the soy sauce marinates it, but you can't burn it. So just watch over it, okay? If it's salty, add more 물엿 and water.
Morning time. Gonna make the kimbap.
In the morning, we fried the spam and flipped over the rice we made yesterday and made another rice right after. Our rice cooker is mad small. We added some olive oil and some chamgirum. Important ingredient, matsogum. Mixy mixy. Then we laid out all our pre-made ingredients. Secret spicy tuna recipe. Squeeze all the water out, add some mayo. Sambaolek. Coarsely ground gochugaru. Kan gochugaru. If it's too wet, just add more gochugaru. Should look like this. Slap the rice in the middle and spread it with gentle fingers. You don't want to turn it into rice cake. Put the flat vegetables first and the solid ingredients after and the loose ones last.
Don't skimp on vegetables.
When you roll a kimbap, the first roll is the most important. You gotta put pressure on the first part. The end of the kimbap should go really inside. You gotta get it in there. It has to stick on the rice. When you're done, it should feel firm. If it's not firm, just roll it again with your hands. Don't cut it right away and leave it so it sticks. Spicy tuna requires one more layer of kim. Put more in the middle so it doesn't peekaboo at the ends. When you're rolling, don't squeeze the body. Squeeze this part. See that? That part. Gentle hands, but also firm. 10 to 12 pieces. Make sure your knife is sharp and put pressure at the end so that the kim cuts off. Beautiful kimbap is born. Stay tuned for my son's field trip.